What is up, YouTube? Jacob Kate, the Freaky Geek, right? The Freaky Geek number 2. I am literally outside my own house to the flooded area with the rain. As you can see, my feet are inside.
You're not even near the road.
I know, I'm still on our sidewalk. Well, driveway. Look at all this. It rained over here. Look at it. Look at all this. So much rain. The sky's cleared up now. So, yeah. Soon, maybe this might clear up tomorrow or not. Because look at all this water. I mean, it's dry over there, but all the way over there is flooded. Well, see you later, YouTube. Peace.